The exact moment you hit send on a message to an AI chatbot, that information leaves your control. If you've typed in something truly private, you might never get it back. Welcome back. On this channel, our goal is to make complex technology and digital safety easy to understand. AI assistants are incredibly useful tools. They can draft a tricky email, summarize a long document, or brainstorm ideas in seconds. But look at this flowchart showing how your data is processed. Standard consumer AI platforms, like the free versions of ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, save your conversations by default. They send your chats to massive permanent servers, using your words to train future models. Because your prompts are stored and analyzed long after you close the window, an AI chatbot should never be treated as a private diary. People often make the mistake of talking to an AI like it's a trusted human confidant, pouring out their problems and personal details. It's a software tool, not a therapist. Before you ask a question, you need to practice what cybersecurity experts call data sanitization. Think of it simply as scrubbing. You wash the private details out of your prompt before you type it. Here is the golden rule. You get the maximum amount of help from an AI by giving it the absolute minimum amount of personal information. Our first danger zone involves specific identity documents. This means social security numbers, driver's license numbers, or passport details. If you are confused by a government form, do not paste your ID number into the chat to get help filling it out. Instead, simply ask the AI what a specific section of that blank form means. The second danger zone surprises a lot of users: passwords, PINs, and security answers. A legitimate AI assistant operates entirely on its own. It never actually requires your login credentials to give you guidance on how to use a website or fix an account issue. An AI never needs to know exactly who you are in order to be helpful. AI is an excellent tool for general financial education, but it is a terrible place for financial storage. This animation shows scrubbing in practice. Instead of pasting a specific bank account number, you replace those digits with generic placeholders. This applies to your health, too. Notice how family names and precise diagnoses are blurred out, leaving only the core medical question intact. Never type out a private diagnosis or the sensitive health details of a family member. Keep your medical questions broad and theoretical. The AI only requires the broad context of a problem to solve it. It never needs the intimate secrets of your life. The danger doesn't lie in asking an AI questions. The risk comes entirely from volunteering unnecessary information. A great mental framework is to treat the AI like a polite, helpful stranger you just met at a store. To make this easy, look at this 4-point AI safety checklist. Give to a stranger? Doesn't need this. Remove names? Facts or secrets? The first test is straightforward. If you wouldn't hand the information to a stranger, do not type it in. The second test requires you to ask yourself if the AI actually needs a specific detail to answer your prompt. Most of the time, it doesn't. The final two tests remind you to physically remove names from your text and to make sure your prompt relies on general facts rather than your private secrets. By running through this checklist before you hit enter, you ensure that your most sensitive details stay out of the AI's training data. These tools are becoming a standard part of how we search for and process information. Applying these simple boundaries means you can use that power without exposing your private life. Knowing how to navigate these systems gives you the confidence to use AI while keeping your personal data secure. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more simplified breakdowns of modern technology. Thanks for watching.